This is the Exlog C2 display. This command control view shows a group of Humvees in convoy with an MTVR which we have selected to simulate. When selected, the MTVR vehicle information is displayed on the bottom left of the display, including current cargo, vehicle health, and fuel. This window shows the Mobile Vehicle Information Monitor, or MVIM, for the MTVR. The gauges are updated with real-time data messages from the vehicle. The engine display shows individual components, color-coded to show the part's current possibility of failure. Individual parts can be clicked on by the user for more information, such as alert history and recommendations. This graph is a visual representation of the predictive Bayesian model. The percentages indicated at each node are calculated using customizable probability functions. Many of the engine components' probabilities are calculated taking into account the truck status data and MTBF, or mean time before failure, functions. Now we will simulate a failure in the lubrication system. The simulator sends messages just as the MTVR would. Notice that when we drop the oil pressure gauge displays the change in probability graph changes to indicate a higher likelihood of failure. The changes are propagated up the entire graph, affecting the oil pump, lubrication system, engine, and the overall vehicle health. Back to the engine display, we can see that the oil pump is now red, indicating a high chance of failure. Clicking on the oil pump, we can see the pump's alerts and recommendations. Again, we show how the simulated change in oil pressure affects the display. Back to the C2 display, note that there has been a recommendation made for the maintenance vehicle to be deployed to fix our MTVR. This important recommendation message is shown in the upper right corner of the GUI or graphic user interface. Both the MTVR and the recommended maintenance unit are highlighted. In addition, the recommendation is added to the bottom right of the GUI. Alerts and recommendations for all units are displayed in this area.